Welcome back to my lecture. Today's topic is fermentative production of lysine. Let's see about amino acid. Amino acids are the building block of protein. They are a group of organic compounds containing two functional groups. One is amino group, which is basic in nature, and a carboxyl group, it is acidic in nature, with a side chain specific to each amino acid. There are 20 naturally occurring amino acids, but all of these are not needed to be taken in diet. Based on nutritional requirement, amino acids are grouped into two classes. They are essential and non-essential amino acids. The amino acids which cannot be synthesized by the body and therefore needed to be supplied through diet are called essential amino acid, and opposite to that, the amino acids which can be synthesized are known as non-essential amino acids. Some microorganisms are capable of producing certain amino acids such as lysine, glutamic acid and tryptophan. L-lysine is commercially important amino acid as it is one of the essential amino acid for the nutrition of human and other animals. It is also known as 2,6-diamino hexanoic acid and the molecular formula is C6H14N2O2. It exists in two forms, D and L form. Generally, L-lysine is used in the animal food industry as a feedstuff additive. It is not solely but mixed with several common livestock like cereals which do not have enough amount of L-lysine. Thus, protein quality of certain foods such as wheat-based foods is improved, resulting in an improved growth and tissue synthesis. It is mainly used for monogastric animals like rats, humans, pigs, dogs, cats, horses and rabbits. The history: in 1889, first it was isolated from casein. Lysine was commercially introduced as a feed additive around 1956. In 1978, first fermented L-lysine was produced by Japanese company Kyowa Hakko Kogyo. Recent method of lysine production is based on fermentation of carbohydrates like beet and cane sugar or starch sugars. Production naturally takes place by two methods. First is production naturally takes place by two methods. The DAP method, diaminopimelic acid pathway, found in bacteria, algae, higher plants and Oomycota. Second is the AAA method, alpha amino adipate pathway, found in fungi, euglenoids. Lysine production carried out by using culture media in fed batch phases of fermentation under aerobic condition in a stirred tank fermenter or airlift fermenter. Fermentation microorganisms are gram-positive cornybacterial strains like Cornybacterium glutamicum, Brevibacterium flavum, etc. are used for industrial production. Kinoshita et al. In 1958 first reported the fermentative production of L-lysine using Cornybacterium glutamicum. Biotin and L-homoserine must be initially supplied in the medium. The raw materials used in the fermentation media are various sources of carbohydrate selection based on the geographic location. For example, sugar and beet and cane is used as a raw material in region with intensive sugar manufacturing. In the United States, cane sugar is frequently used for industrial application. Besides, sugar corn has recently become part of a biofuel economy. Nitrogen sources are corn strip liquor or soybean meal, and a source of mineral salt in the medium are potassium dihydrogen phosphate, potassium hydrogen phosphate and calcium carbonate. Antifoaming agents are necessary to be added to control foam formation during fermentation. Antifoam which are used in L-lysine fermentation include fatty acid, polyglycol ester or silicon and polypropylene. Factors should be kept under observation are the oxygen demand is in the large amount because it is anaerobic fermentation. Air necessity is satisfied by air saturation in bioreactor. To maintain aerobic condition, oxygen containing gaseous mixture is aseptically added to the culture. The pH is an essential parameter which strongly influence microbial fermentation. The optimum pH is of about 7.2. as like oxygen requirement and pH. Temperature also plays an important role in L-lysine fermentation. The optimum temperature ranging from 35 to 37 degrees Celsius. The duration of fermentation is 100 hours or 2 to 3 days. The typical medium composition includes glucose 100 grams per liter, urea 5 grams per liter, biotin 0.01 grams per liter, leucine 0.4 grams per liter, magnesium sulfate 2.85 grams per liter, potassium dihydrogen phosphate 0.5 grams per liter, manganese sulfate 0.016 grams per liter, calcium carbonate 20 grams per liter, ammonium sulfate 46 grams per liter. The fermentation. The culture media used in batch and fed batch phases of fermentation are prepared by mixing process of water, glucose and nutrients. The fermentation step is performed in fed batch mode and under aerobic condition. In the batch phase, the microorganisms seeded in the fermenter, which have been filled previously with fermentation batch medium. When glucose exhausted, the batch phase is shifted with fed batch phase. During the fed batch phase, glucose and nutrients are continuously supplied until the desired lysine concentration is achieved. At the end of the fermentation, the broth is sent to a buffer tank to provide a continuous flow to the downstream process step. Recovery downstream process. The fermentation broth is sent to an ultrafiltration system for the removal of cell debris and other suspended solids. The liquor from ultrafiltration is fed to ion exchange column where L-lysine is selectively absorbed. The absorbed L-lysine is eluted from the ion exchange resin by washing with an aqueous ammonium solution. The L-lysine eluted from ion exchange column is mixed with mother liquor from the product filtration step and concentrated by evaporation. The concentration lysine solution is acidified by hydraulic acid, acidified with hydraulic acid, and free L-lysine is converted by L-lysine hydrogen chloride. The L-lysine hydrogen chloride solution is then sent to the crystallizer and lysine salt is filtered. The mother liquor is recovered to the evaporation and the wet cake is conveyed to dryer. Final dry L-lysine about 98.5 weight is obtained and sent to a packaging. Moving on to its application and uses. Used as a nutrition supplement in food, beverage, pharmaceutical, agriculture, animal and various other industries. In pharmaceutical, L-lysine is widely used as a nervous system drug and nutritional therapy, preventing and treating cold sores caused by herpes simplex labialis virus. In health and personal care, cosmetics, personal care product, baby products, makeup, shaving kits, etc. L-lysine is widely used in poultry feed to improve the growth and egg production and also used in fish feed to improve the growth. In other industries, it is used as an intermediate to produce other organic chemicals. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing